Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past question 35. Find the value of x in the equation 1 over x plus 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. So we have to find the value of x in this equation, and like we can see here, this equation is given to us in what? In fraction. Is given to us in fraction. So we have to simplify this fraction and find the value of what? Find the value of x, which is an unknown that is given. Let me divide this page into 2 so that we can have what? Enough space for our calculation. Now we're given 1 over x plus 1 over 4 equals to 1 over 2. Like we know, in an equation you have the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation. And why it is called an equation is because the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, that is, they are both balanced. So for us to simplify the left hand side, since we have an unknown here, x, which is a denominator, and we have 4 here, which is a denominator, but we want to convert this now into one fraction, we have to find the LCM of x and 4. That is, find the LCM of x and 4. And like we know, LCM simply means what? Lowest common multiple. That is the lowest multiple, or the lowest number in which x will go into without any remainder and 4 can go into without any remainder. That's what we mean by the LCM of x and 4. So now, the best way to find the LCM of x and 4 is by multiplying what? X by 4. Because x is an unknown. It's not a known number. You don't know x. So the best way is to what? Multiply x by 4. And when we multiply the x by 4, the LCM is equals to what? X multiplied by 4. And this will give us what? To give us 4x. So x times 4 will give us 4x. Now this 4x is the LCM of x and 4, because x can go into 4x 4 times and 4 will go into x times. 4x x times. So we come back to our question and we say what? Since we've gotten the LCM of x and 4, we say what? 4x. Now this is the LCM. Now x will go into 4x 4 times, because x will cancel x, which will remain 4. Then 4 times this one here will give us what? Will give us 4. Remember your positive sign, plus, because it's addition. We are trying to add. We are adding this now. It's a 1 over x plus 1 over 4. So we are doing what? 1 over x plus 1 over 4. And we found the LCM of x and 4 to be 4x. Now 4 we're going to 4x x times, because 4 we cancel 4 and you have what? X. And x times this one here, the numerator, will give us what? Will give us x. So 4 plus x all over 4x is equal to what? Is equal to 1 over 2. Now we've gotten one fraction on the left hand side and another fraction on the right hand side. Now for us to continue, what do? We cross multiply. You cross multiply. Now when you cross multiply, the denominator here 4x will multiply the numerator here 1, and the numerator here 4 plus x will multiply the denominator 2. So now we have that what? We have that 2 multiply with the numerator 4 plus x, close bracket, and we have that what? The denominator here 4x will multiply 1, and 4x multiplied by 1 will give us what? 4x. Now let's continue. Let's open this bracket. By opening this bracket, what are we doing? We'll multiply each content of this bracket by 2, because 2 open bracket 4 plus x is the same thing as saying what? 2 multiplied by the entire content of this bracket. And so therefore, to open this bracket, we say what? 2 times 4 will give us 8, plus 2 times x will give us what? 2x. And this is equal to, it is equal to 4x. It's equal to 4x. So we have 8 plus 2x is equal to 4x. Now we have to eliminate this 2x from here. We have to, that's by collecting the like terms, and by eliminating this 2x from here, it means we are moving this 2x here and taking it here. And since this 2x has a positive sign, the best way to eliminate it is by what? Subtracting 2x from both sides. So we subtract 2x from both sides. We subtract 2x from both sides, and by doing that we have that what? X plus 8 plus 2x minus 2x is equal to 4x minus 2x. Now 2x minus 2x is equal to 0, so we have 8 is equal to what? 4x minus 2x, because they're like terms. 4x minus 2x will give us what? 2x. So we now have that 8 is equals to 2x, meaning that what? 2x is equal to 8. Now we have that what? We have that 2x is equal to 8. The same thing as 8 is equal to 2x. So to find the x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. So we divide both sides by 2. This 2, we cancel this 2, and 2 here will give us 1. 2 in 8 will give us 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. So the value for x is 4 in the following equation. 1 over x plus 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Now let's go to our option and check which of this option corresponds to our answer. A says 1, B says 2, C says 3, and D says 4. And if you can see, D corresponds to our answer, which is what? 4. X is equals to 4. So our answer is D. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.